In today's video, I'm wanting to teach you how to turn off banner notifications and sounds in Microsoft Teams. If you find Teams notifications distracting while you work, this quick setting change can help create a quieter, more focused experience. We'll walk through exactly where to go in Microsoft Teams so you can adjust your notification sound preferences with confidence. To get started, open Microsoft Teams. Make sure you're on the main Teams screen and fully signed in so you can access your account settings without any issues. Once Teams is open, look to the top right corner of the window. Near your profile avatar, you'll see the three-dot menu. This is the More Options menu, and it gives you access to several app-level settings and controls. Click those three dots to open the drop-down menu. When the menu appears, select Settings. This will open the main settings area for your Teams account, where you can customize different parts of the app, including appearance, privacy, and notifications. Inside Settings, look for the option labeled Notifications and Activity and click on it. This section is where Microsoft Teams lets you control how and when alerts appear, including visual notifications and sound-related behavior. If you've been hearing too many pings or alerts throughout the day, this is the place to make that adjustment. Once you're in the Notifications and Activity section, look for the Sound section. You may need to scan down the page a little, depending on your screen size or the version of Teams you're using, but the label should be clearly visible. This area controls whether Teams plays audio cues when notifications come in. In the Sound section, find the setting called Play Sounds with Notifications. To turn off notification sounds, simply toggle this setting off. Once it's disabled, Teams will stop playing sounds when notifications arrive. This can be especially useful if you still want to receive updates without the extra audio interruptions. Keep in mind that changing this setting affects the sound behavior for notifications, so you can reduce distractions while still staying informed. If you ever want to turn the sounds back on later, you can return to the same menu and toggle the option back on. And that's it. You've successfully updated your Microsoft Teams notification settings and turned off notification sounds. This is a simple change, but it can make a big difference if you're trying to work in a quieter environment or limit interruptions during the day.